Welcome to the NextAfter Minute, Lab Insights in 60, where we reveal what unlocks generosity. Could a website button be the key to boosting disaster relief donations? Operation Blessing tested two approaches for an urgent disaster relief appeal on their website. Their standard sticky bar encouraged website visitors to give, but they wanted to test a new approach, a sticky donate button that would stay on the side of the web page and follow the user as they scrolled, and slide out after 7 seconds on the page with an urgent personal message to give. What was their result? Well, they found a 39.4% increase in conversions. This design captured more attention and inspired immediate action, especially for those on mobile devices. This test shows us the power of a well-timed, urgent appeal to activate generosity during those critical moments.